Welcome to Phake Breaking News. I'm your host, J. Michael Chamberlain. Our sources learn that Alabama Senate contender and man banned from the Gadsden Mall by Paul Blart Mall Cop, Judge Roy B. Moore, has gone into hiding. As it happens, the alleged child molester is taking cover in a replica of the rat hole where Sadam Hussain was discovered during the Iraq War. Moore told reporters, and I quote, "Down here in the rat hole, I'm just another dirtbag surrounded by actual dirtbags." Unsurprisingly, Norwegian rats living alongside Moore have been voluntarily eating poison and leaping into traps rather than sharing the space with him. In a breaking news story out of Washington, Donald Trump Jr. is only moments away from finding out what Justice Department handcuffs feel like when they're tightening around his limp wrists. If the feds get any closer, Trump Jr. told reporters, "I'll be joining Judge Moore in his cozy rat hole underground." Adding to his statement, Donald Jr. said, and I quote, "I only colluded with the Russians because I'm a stupid douchebag like my father. Dad just wanted to build a hotel in Red Square and be the king of America. Is that so bad?" This just in, after Sara Huckabee Sanders' yearly White House physical, doctors revealed that in place of a heart, they discovered a jagged chunk of black coal. Film at 11.